Hey everyone, Jamal here with AddSections, and today I want to show you our image carousel section, a simple, high impact way to showcase products, collections, or lifestyle imagery that you have. This section is so easy to use, plugs into your store in minutes, and it's ready to go live with no custom code required. So let's jump into the customizer. Let's start from the top. You can choose to add or remove star ratings. You could change the subtitle to your brand's message. You can also change the main heading. Let's say it's a niche on jewelry. You can place your message here without a problem. Super easy and intuitive. And to finish it off with a cheeky description to get your customers grabbing for more attention. From there on, you can easily change the background of this section, the gap between the images, and of course the text of the color. Adjust the spacing and layout to match your brand. You have full control over the headline and subtext, star icons, and colors, the background colors, the image sizing, and alignment. Everything updates in real time, so you can easily see how everything looks before going live. On mobile, the carousel feels natural. On desktop, it keeps the layout clean while still showing multiple visuals all at once. There's no extra setup needed. It's optimized for both automatically, mobile and desktop. So if you want a section that's fast to install and easy to customize and instantly elevates your product presentation, this is it. You'll find the image carousel section inside the app AddSections. So grab it while it's hot, customize it, and launch it in minutes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.